Are you tired of running the rat race, but still want to be taken care of financially? There's a simple solution. Find someone wealthy and marry rich. First, go where the money is. Streamline the process by downloading a Millionaire dating app, or start hanging out at country clubs, fundraisers, and art galleries. You can even take up affluent hobbies like golf or sailing, or just research them online so you can fake the knowledge on a date. Next, look and feel your best by staying on trend with sophisticated fashion, even if you're wearing high quality knockoffs. But looks aren't everything. Emphasize your intelligence by reading up on the stock market and show your kind side by dedicating yourself to a charitable cause. Most importantly, never paint yourself as a gold digger. Treat your partner like an average Joe. Don't bring up their wealth, and bond with their kids. Shower them with genuine affection, and you'll easily prove that you're the one they want to spend the rest of their life with.